Alrighty, tonight I'm doing a brief exercise 9-11. Pretty straightforward one, thankfully. Basically, we're just filling out this partial balance sheet. And first thing is you always got to start with property, plant, and equipment. You're doing the actual tangible stuff. And for this instance, it tells you what order to do it. It says to do land first, buildings, then equipment. So it's the first thing here, and then just go through and find it. It says it's in the millions, but we just still enter it in this lower form here. The one thing to note is when you're adding these up, columns matter. I know for me down here, I was trying to add this answer and this answer to get this answer, but it's a partial one. It's not asking for total assets there. So but basically go through, fill in the numbers, add them up here, subtract the accumulated depreciation from that. So basically the 2,170 cancels out this. Add these two together plus this one gives you 1,839. And then add those together, it gives you the total property, plant, and equipment. And then go to intangible assets, start with goodwill, which was 190, and you got your patents and trademarks, which was 550, and then you subtract your accumulated amortization, which gives you 503, and then add these two together, which gives you your total intangible assets. And so that's all there is to it. Pretty straightforward for that. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.